Back to our rebuild of Caradco windows from 1993. So I have a style here. That's the old one. The new one, again, treated lumber, maybe a mistake. As you can see, they're starting to bend. I've actually straightened it some by leaving it overnight with an anvil on it. But I've let in my side here for the brackets, the fasteners. Here's the bottom. Here's the bottom that didn't really make it. So I've added the hardware here to this one. I stained them and I sprayed the whole thing with spar varnish to sort of seal it. So the cladding will go on here. See, my tooling isn't the greatest, but I didn't have all that much to work with. As you see, my table is the back of the pickup. So anyway, we're ready to put on some cladding. By the time I sanded this one, it was well, a little bit loose. So I plan to put a little silicone bead here and then snap this on. Doesn't take much pressure, so I want to make sure I get a nice tight seal both on the ends and the top and bottom. Anyway, we'll come back with the cladding snapped on both pieces here. See how it goes.